Ikaw yung may mumu ka dyan. Ayan na naman sila, uy. Oo, the glasses. Mumu pa mo. Yolanda, you wanna say bye now? Not yet? You still playing? What happened? Oh, that's her bestie? What? Where they going? Hello, Maricar. What happened? What they're doing? Oh, are they? No, don't say that words. Don't say that. Why? Oh, they're just. Why? They're bestie. Oh, you're gonna do your. Oh, you're gonna do it now? Where you going? In the wood? Do you wanna go to the garage now? Let's go to the garage. That one, please. Let's go to the garage. Oh, see, you okay? Okay, let me hold it. Hold it here. Oh, oh. Okay. Come on now. Let's go to the garage. Okay, you're done now. Let's go to the garage. Oh, oh, be careful. Do you want me hold you? Okay, you say bye, good night then. Go around the kitchen. Wanna go around the kitchen? So you have more space. Choo choo. No, you cannot do that like that. Don't. No, you don't wanna fall. Don't. I don't like that. Look at Ate. She got. That's a nice hair, Julene. Yeah. You like that kind of hair, Jilana? I don't think you can do that. No. Okay, you be done now. Okay, bye guys. Okay, let's go to the garage then. Not that one, Jilana. Huh?